So in this video I'm going to be replacing the rocker cover gasket on a Opel Vauxhall X10XE 1 litre multi-valve engine. The rocker cover gasket on this was replaced by myself quite recently, but it's one that had been sitting about for quite some time, and as you can see it doesn't fit very well and it has been leaking quite a bit of oil. This car recently passed its MOT, needed only a CV joint, but it did get an advisory for oil leak but not excessive. Now it did have an oil leak last year and I replaced the gasket as I said, but it had been lying about for a number of years, and you'll see from, well, it's all full of water now, but it had been, there is quite a few oil spots on here, just a bit more than I'm comfortable with. So in order to get this off, we've got some male Torx bolts for the actual cover, female Torx to hold on the coil pack, a couple of breather pipes, detach this cam sensor wiring here, and then that should come off. You can actually see this one's quite oily as well, so the rocker cover gasket's obviously, yeah, there's quite a bit of oil down in that spark plug there. So the rocker cover gasket's clearly not been doing its job. Next is the two breather hoses. Should just pop off, hopefully. There's quite a lot of bolts to undo here. I think there's at least 13, maybe 14, and they don't come right out. They've each got little rubber seals around them as well. But they don't come, as I say, they don't come right out. And I noticed that one of the spark plug holes, as I said, was filled with oil. So we'll need to dry that out, get that out. That just confirms that this rocker cover gasket was no good at all. So I'll carry on undoing all these and we'll get the rocker cover off. There we go. Rocker cover off. All nice and clean under there. As you can see, whoops. Yeah, that gasket was definitely letting something past. You can see there, all around there. It's all oily, and it shouldn't be oily. As you can see, that gasket is all wobbly and nah, no good. Let's get this spark plug hole dried out first away. Don't want oil down in there, thank you very much. A slow process this, we'll keep going. Right, that's all the mating faces cleaned up, and that the spark plug which had some oil in the hole there is now all clean. So now we need to get working on the rocker cover itself. Get rid of this gasket, get it cleaned up. So I've given the rocker cover a clean out. In this channel here, turned upside down, it was all full of oil, so the oil had been escaping past the top of the gasket. I cleaned out some crap in here. Usually it's like mayonnaise from short journeys it collects in this bit here, but it was just kind of black crap, so I've cleaned all that out as well. Go ahead and fit the new gasket and put the rocker cover back on. Right, that's the new gasket on. There's a bit of a kink there, but that bit doesn't really do anything. I'm wondering whether I should use some Hylamar, but I always feel that's a bit of a bodge, so I'll not use it this time, and if the oil leak doesn't get any better, then I'm going to just need to take it off and go around the whole bit with some Hylamar. But I'm hoping that this brand new gasket will work. let's get it fitted. Right, that went on okay. Let's go and do up these 15,000 bolts. I'll try and do it across the way from each other, just in the hope of some sort of even distribution of torque. Right, that's the rocker cover back on. I'm not particularly happy with the fit. There is still a gap around there, but these literally will not go any tighter, and they're only wee, and the last thing I want to do is snap them in the head. That is really the last thing I want to do. So we'll suck it and see. I've got the old rocker cover that's still got the rocker cover gasket attached, and it never leaked. If this doesn't work, I'm going to fit the other one, because I think it's got a better fit. Try it and see. That's everything back together. We'll see how we got on with that. Hopefully it won't leak as much. As I say, if it does, we've got another rocker cover with a gasket on it already that's already compressed a bit more, a wee bit older. We'll try that.